Runway versus Luma AI. Which AI video generator is better? Choosing the right AI video generator can completely change how you create stunning videos without the hassle of complex software. Let's look at both options briefly. Runway and Luma AI are two powerful AI video generators designed to streamline video creation. The core difference lies in their unique features. Runway focuses on advanced editing tools and collaboration, while Luma AI emphasizes user-friendly design and quick video generation. Runway is an innovative AI video generator that offers a suite of advanced editing tools tailored for professionals. It allows users to create and edit videos with features like background removal, motion tracking, and real-time collaboration. Runway integrates seamlessly with other creative tools, making it ideal for teams working on complex projects. However, its extensive features can be overwhelming for beginners, requiring a learning curve to fully utilize its capabilities. This product is perfect for video editors, content creators, and marketing teams looking to produce high-quality videos efficiently. Luma AI is designed with simplicity in mind, making it an excellent choice for those who want to create videos quickly and effortlessly. Its intuitive interface allows users to generate videos using AI-driven templates and easy customization options. Luma AI is particularly appealing for social media marketers and small businesses that need to produce engaging content without extensive editing skills. While it may lack some of the advanced features found in Runway, its speed and ease of use make it a strong contender for users prioritizing efficiency over depth. When comparing Runway and Luma AI, consider your specific needs. If your goal is to produce high-quality professional videos with intricate editing capabilities, Runway stands out as the better choice. However, if you need to create engaging videos quickly and with minimal effort, Luma AI shines with its user-friendly approach. For instance, a marketing team working on a campaign might benefit from Runway's collaboration features, while a social media manager might prefer Luma AI for its rapid video generation. For professionals seeking advanced editing tools and collaboration, Runway is the recommended choice. For those prioritizing speed and ease of use, Luma AI is the better option. Both tools offer unique benefits, so choose based on your specific video creation needs for the best results.